Now I would like to show a systematic English grammar. While watching this video, please concentrate.
Gender of nouns. You learned 2 genders in the previous class. Now you will learn 2 more. Look at the pictures. Now read the sentences about them. Raman is a brave boy. Sita is a good girl. The book is on the table. That child is my friend. Raman and boys are the names of males. They are therefore said to be of the masculine gender. A noun, that is the name of any person or animal, is said to be of the masculine gender. For example, boy, man, uncle, nephew, lion, bull. Sita and girl are the names of females. They are therefore said to be of the feminine gender. A noun, that is the name of any female person or animal, is said to be of feminine gender. For example, girl, woman, aunt, niece, cow, lioness. Book and table are names of things without life. They are said to be of neuter gender. Neuter gender means neither gender. A noun, that is the name of a thing without life, is said to be of the neuter gender. For example, desk, table, knife, pen. Child and friend can be used for both males and females. They are therefore said to be of the common gender. A noun, that is the name of an animal or person that may be either male or female, is said to be of the common gender as parent, father or mother, child, boy or girl, friend, male or female. How to form feminines of masculine nouns. I am afraid, children, like the rules of changing numbers, you will have to learn rules of changing genders. Rule number 1. You form feminine nouns by adding ESS to the masculine, as lion, lioness, shepherd, shepherdess, and so on. Remember, the feminine of hero is heroine. Rule number 2. Some feminine nouns are formed by a change of word, as boy, girl, brother, sister, bull, cow, cock, hen, father, mother, and so on. Rule number 3. Some feminine nouns are formed by replacing a word before or after, as grandfather, grandmother, landlord, landlady, manservant, maidservant, milkman, milkmaid, washerman, washerwoman.
Write the gender of these nouns. Ring, neuter gender. Child, common gender. Bull, masculine gender. Mare, feminine gender. Friend, common gender. Match the genders in this sentence. Column A, column B. Shepherd, shepherdess. Nephew, niece. Queen, king. Hunter, huntress. Maidservant, manservant.
Possessive pronouns. When doing describing words or adjectives, you learned that my, your, his, her, our, their are used as possessive adjectives to show possession. Examples: my book, your dog, his bicycle, her purse, our school, their house. But we can show possession in another way also. Read these sentences. This book is mine. That dog is yours. That bicycle is his. That purse is hers. This school is ours. That house is theirs. Repeat after me and learn. The words mine, yours, his, hers, ours and theirs do not qualify any nouns in the sentences you have just read. Here they stand instead of nouns. They are therefore called possessive pronouns. Learn. Pronouns that show possession are called possessive pronouns. How would you use them as adjectives? Note the difference. This is my book. That is your dog. That is his bicycle. That is her purse. This is our school. That is their house.
Write possessive pronouns for this possessive adjective. Possessive adjective, possessive pronouns. This is my car. This car is mine. That is our cap. That cap is ours. That is pen. That pen is. This is your pet. This pet is yours. That is their picture. That picture is theirs. Match the given set of sentence. Column A, column B. This bottle is mine. This bottle belongs to me. This garden is theirs. This garden belongs to them. These books are yours. These books belong to you. Those clothes are ours. These clothes belong to us. These flowers are theirs. These flowers belong to them.